is complicated. Eating healthy doesn't have to be. Meet the Nutricook Air Fryer Oven, the healthier way of eating all your favorite foods. It's a 4-in-1 appliance that combines air fryer, convection oven, rotisserie oven and dehydrator all in one. Start by removing all the packaging materials from in and around the air fryer oven. The air fryer oven comes with a rotating basket, rotisserie shaft, 2 rotisserie forks, 10 skewers, 2 skewer racks, 3 wire racks, a drip tray, fetch tool, and a protective cover. Let's start by understanding the built-in rotisserie function. This feature lets you cook delicious and healthy rotisserie-style foods from whole roasts to kebabs and even a whole chicken. For vegetarians, you can use this function for cooking a large-size brinjal to make bharta. The rotating basket ensures that the food is evenly cooked on all sides by properly circulating the hot air to the food in the basket, resulting in crispy and delicious recipes every time. The rotisserie shaft is a central component that holds your food securely in place while it rotates. This is especially useful for cooking larger pieces of meat like whole chicken or large brinjal, ensuring it is cooked evenly on all sides. Rotisserie forks attach to the rotisserie shaft and hold the whole chicken or brinjal in place while it rotates. The set of 10 skewers allows you to prepare a variety of skewer dishes. You can make paneer tikkas, chicken tikkas as well as kebabs with the help of these skewers. The skewer racks provide a stable platform for your skewers, ensuring they are positioned properly for even cooking. These wire racks are versatile cooking accessories. They can be used for baking, roasting, or air frying large quantities of dishes like cookies, sabu dana vada, patties, cutlet, naan khatais, pizzas, etc. The drip tray is used to collect oil and food debris. Drip tray must always be inserted at the bottom before cooking. It helps keep the oven clean and prevents any mess from accumulating at the bottom of the oven. The fetch tool is a handy accessory that assists you in safely removing the hot accessories from the air fryer oven. The protective cover is to protect the food and help with avoiding touching the heating coil. Let's start by plugging the 16-ampere plug in the socket. Press the power button to start the air fryer. The air fryer oven offers 10 one-touch cooking programs. Let's first start by understanding the 8 cooking programs. First comes the fries preset. When you press the fries button, it automatically comes up with a specified temperature and time. Just press the start button to start making crispy and golden French fries. The chicken preset is perfect for air frying variety of chicken recipes like chicken nuggets, chicken drumsticks, chicken wings, or even a whole chicken. The samosa preset is ideal for making crispy and flavorful samosas with up to 85% less oil. The cake preset is ideal for baking cakes in the air fryer oven. You can also bake cookies, cupcakes, muffins, and naan khatais with this preset function. The steak preset is perfect for cooking steak. The fish preset is tailored for cooking fish fillets or whole fish. It ensures that the fish is cooked evenly, retaining its moisture and natural flavors while achieving a crispy outer layer. The pizza preset is designed to reheat or bake a whole pizza in one go. The rotisserie preset is used with the rotisserie accessories. Rotisserie preset is used to make recipes like paneer tikka, chicken tikka, whole chickens or roasted vegetables, etc. It rotates the food while cooking, such as whole chickens or roasts. The dehydrate function can be used for drying various foods, including fishes, fruits, amla and raw mangoes. The air fryer oven also comes with an internal light function to view the progress of what is being cooked inside. You can press the light button to switch on and off the light function. By default, the internal light remains on for 1 minute and goes off automatically. Use this button to activate the rotation feature when using the rotating basket or rotisserie shaft. To stop the rotation, you can just press this button again. If you want to cancel a program at any time, during program selection or during cooking cycle, press the cancel button to stop the process. You can change the time and temperature according to your preferences. It is always advisable to preheat your air fryer oven before making any recipe. Now let's make some delicious recipes in the air fryer oven. Utilizing the skewer racks and skewers, you can make delicious paneer tikka. Start by assembling the marinated paneer cubes along with vegetables onto the skewers. Once done, insert one end of the skewer, pointed part, into the hole on the skewer rack, then squeeze the other end on the slots of the skewer rack to lock it in. Repeat until all skewers are attached to the skewer racks. Now, open the oven door and insert the left side of the rotisserie shaft first on the left slot, then insert on the hook located on the right. Once all the assembling is done, close the oven door and press the rotisserie button and then press start to start with the process. Press the rotate button to ensure that the paneer tikka is being evenly cooked from all sides. Deliciously juicy paneer tikkas are ready. Use the fetch tool to remove the skewer rack and deassemble the skewers and skewer racks accordingly. Let's make French fries in the rotating basket. Gently pull the tab to open the basket. Place the fries inside the rotating basket. To ensure even cooking and proper hot air circulation, do not overfill the rotating basket with food. Push tab towards the rotating basket to close. An audible click sound will indicate that it is locked. Insert the left side of the rotating basket on the left slot, then insert on the hook located on the right. Select the fries preset and then press start. Press the rotate button to evenly air fry the fries in the basket. Crispy and tasty fries are ready. Remove the basket with the help of the fetch tool and then open the basket. Crispy and golden fries are ready. The rotisserie forks enable you to roast a whole chicken to perfection. Secure the chicken on the rotisserie shaft using the forks. Set the rotisserie function or choose the appropriate settings. And watch as your chicken cooks evenly. Let's use the 3-wire racks to bake large batches of delectable cookies in the oven. Arrange the cookie dough on the wire racks and set to the desired temperature and baking time. This beep notification tells us our fluffy cookies are ready. Let's make roasted lady fingers, also known as bhindi fry, in the air fryer oven. Place the stuffed lady fingers on the wire rack and adjust the wire rack inside the air fryer. You can manually adjust the temperature and time according to your preference and press start. Voila! Bhindi fry is ready in no time. Do not keep anything on the air fryer. It is advisable to use the air fryer in an open space or else exhaust hot air could get trapped and damage the machine. Do not use plastic containers, steel vessels, butter paper, etc. Cleaning up is a breeze. All the accessories can be easily washed in running water. Elevate your cooking with Nutricook Air Fryer Oven, where taste meets innovation. Explore a world of flavor, health, and convenience today.